Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel, press bell icon and click all notification option so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Today's craft is going to be a best outer face material idea. I'm going to recycle coconut shells into a beautiful organizer. So you will need a coconut shell approximately to this size. As coconut shells are covered by a fiber-like structure around the shell, so I'm going to use knife to remove that. You can use sandpaper to get an extra smooth surface. I'm using knife to remove all the fibers around the shell. This will give a nice finishing when you paint this shell. This step is enough. If you need an extra smooth coconut shell, you can use sandpaper. You can get it from any paint shop or hardware shop. Just rub like this and remove all the extra fibers to make it extra smoother. Consider subscribing my channel and do share this video to your family and friends who might be interested in crafting. So this is the basic step whenever you work with coconut shell for crafting. Use a cloth to remove all the dust around the shell. So now it is smoother. Repeat the same for another coconut shell. Now you will need an use and throw plastic bottle, such as any use and throw water bottles or any juice bottles, or you can even use medicinal plastic bottles. If your plastic bottle is thin, you can use any sharp knife to cut it off, or if your bottle is very thick and if it is hard to cut, just heat the knife and cut it. Be careful whenever you're working with hot and sharp objects. Do check the description box to know all the list of materials I have used. This one is a little bit taller than the first one. So this is how it looks. I have removed the top portion also for both the pieces. Just heat the knife and remove the top portion. Now heat any sharp objects and make holes around the bottle. Repeat the same for the another one too. Make sure there is a gap between each holes. Make sure there is 2 to 3 centimeter gap. I had 5 to 10 drops of paint left in a paint bottle, so I'm going to make primer out of that. Add half a teaspoon of plaster of Paris. You can even use talcum powder instead of plaster of Paris. Add some glue and mix it well. As plastic is not a porous material, to create an ideal base for painting, I'm just applying this homemade primer. I will share detailed tutorial of how to make a primer or gesso in upcoming tutorials. So now you can either follow this step or you can even cover the plastic bottle with tissue papers. Take some glue in a bowl, mix equal amount of water and cover it with tissue paper. You can even use primer for both the bottles, or you can cover it with tissue paper. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. So now you can compare the results once dried completely. Primer works well with plastic, glass, cardboard or even on the canvas board. It gives a good finishing. but you can even cover it with tissue paper or newspaper like this. So now take a coconut shell and simply outline a face. Hope you can see them. You will need an Airdry clay and some glue. I hope now the outline is clear. Take some Airdry clay, roll and press it like this to make a nose. Apply water to avoid cracks. Apply glue and then fix it. You can use any Airdry clay. For eyes and lips, just roll some clay and shape it like this. First make all the parts and then stick it. For eyes and eyebrows, I just rolling some clay and shaping it like this. Now apply Fevicol and fix it. For another coconut shell, you can follow the same step I did for the first one, or you can do like this with a little variation. Do comment on what you think about this video. Let it dry for some time. Meanwhile, let's paint the plastic base. I'm using a dark blue color. All colors I use are acrylic colors of Acrylic company. You can use any colors you wish. I'm using yellow for another one. For face, I'm using a pearl white acrylic color. This is a metallic color which will give you a shiny look. Or you can even use normal white acrylic color. For front part alone, I'm giving this color. For remaining area, I'm going to give a red color. For another coconut shell, I am giving white acrylic color for the front, and for the remaining area I am using a pearl blue color which will give you a shiny look. You can even use normal acrylic color. Coloring is your choice. You can give any color you wish. Now use black acrylic for the eyes and eyebrows. Repeat the same for another shell. For lips, I am using a pearl pink color. You can even use red color. Highlight the design using any contrast colors. I am using a pearl blue. Now use any round tip to place dots. I'm using back side of the brush to make dots around the bottle. To highlight the nose, I am using a soft pastel. This is a dry color. You can even use normal acrylic or you can skip this step. This step is completely optional. So now to join two parts, I am going to use this Fevicryl molded clay. This will have two parts. You have to take equal amount of them and mix it well. Or you can even use emsil, which you can get it from any paint shop or hardware shop. Just roll it and fix it like this. Using fingers or any clay to just blend it. Repeat the same for other piece too. If you have any hole in the coconut shell, you can cover it with emsil or Fevicryl molded clay. Once it dried, completely paint that part as well. So the finished product will look like this. We got some space at the top. That is coconut shell. You can place some of your things that you use regularly in the coconut shell. Also, we made some holes around the plastic bottle. You can use this as an earring holders. You can hang this hook model earrings around the bottles. I have placed about 4 sets of earrings around the bottle. can place more according to your bottle size. In coconut shell, I am placing some of the cosmetics. You can place any of your cosmetics that you use regularly. You can even place your hairbands, clips or hooks, anything that you use regularly. I'm placing stud type earrings on the smaller bottle. You can even use it as a flower vase or use it as a planter. Fill some mud into the coconut shell and place any small plants. So the beautiful multi-purpose organizer with coconut shell and plastic bottle is ready to use. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.